Hey, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. How are you? I'm bringing to you today a new project, something new for me. It's been around for quite some time. But anyway, this is a laundry stain remover. I've always been using these, store-bought ones like this one. I really enjoyed this one. It was pretty good, but it really didn't clean as well as I thought it would be. And this is like maybe their fifth or sixth different brand and type of laundry stain remover that just isn't working. It's for spending, $4 or $5. And this is like this bottle right here. You see that? This bottle is only 12 full ounces. So it just doesn't, it says, 5-in-1 power, tackles the toughest dried-in stains. So what I decided to do is I went ahead and downloaded. I went through a whole bunch of different sites. And I downloaded how to make my own laundry stain remover. So here's the recipe that I found, and seems to be the most comparable with everyone that I went to on the internet. I did the internet, I did YouTube, the whole shebang. And so here's what it is. You take 1 part of hydrogen peroxide to 1 part of Dawn, and it has to be Blue Dawn, because for some reason the Blue Dawn is the only thing that seems to work. I don't know what the deal is or why. But anyway, it's got to be Blue Dawn. So, here's what we're going to do. And we're going to, let me read my directions here. You just take, oh no, I'm sorry, take that back. You take 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide to 1 part of Dawn. So, because this is a small bottle, I'm not exactly for sure. I'm going to go in small portions because I can always add to it. So, I'm going to do 1/2 cup of the Blue Dawn, which means I will need to do 1 cup of the hydrogen peroxide. Just a little bit over. Let me pour some of this back because I don't want to go totally over. I can always add more back into it if it turns out it's not the right amount. Okay, so a little bit more. Let me take a little bit more out. That should have worked. Okay, yeah. Alright, so now we're at 1 cup. Let me close this up before I peel it. Let me get myself a napkin because I got stuff all over my hands. Okay, so I take 1 part, so that's going to be 1/2 cup. So I'm going to do 2 parts of hydrogen, so I'm going to do 1 cup. So I'm just going to pour that in. Let me see, make sure I'm in the frame. Alrighty, that's close enough there. Oh, and I spilt. Now we're going to take 2 parts of the hydrogen peroxide, so that'll be making it 1 cup. We'll close that up. Clean my mess here. Told you, I mess things up. Pour that in. And you know what, let me swish around here just a little bit. Get all that Blue Dawn out of here. Actually, that's a pretty good measurement for this size bottle. There was enough to fill the entire bottle. And it goes about right there to the top, so that's a pretty good measurement. Now we're going to close it back up. Going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, I'll be a little silly. Now this is just my old towel that I use for my, whatever my mess ups here in my craft room. So let me move this out of the way. Oop, let me turn that around. I don't want to get anything on my more. Let's just go to a spotless to see what it makes it see. Supposedly it's supposed to work like almost like instantly, where you'll see and you'll notice where it's cleaning it right away. So y'all can see this pinky, you know, this stain right here. Let's see what it does, if anything. You can definitely see where the Dawn is at. So you just squirt it, and that's it, and you let it sit. And then if it's a stubborn stain, you would just rub it between your fingers. Oh yeah, look. You see that? It's definitely starting to come off and starting to clean. I'm going to put this whole thing in the washer anyway, so I'm just going to squirt this whole thing since I'm here. Now we'll put this in the laundry. And actually, but you know, it's used a lot. It's already gone down to about right there. There's a lot of bubbles in it. And I'm sure it's because of the Dawn. So I'm only going to do half. And let's just see what the stain looks like. So when I come back, this will be in a couple of days. I'm going to put this in the laundry with my other other clothes. Wash it and I'll bring it back. And then I'll post the video of the before and after with this towel look. Thank you so much. I'll be back with the second half. Take care now. Thank you. Okay, great. I'm back. It's been a few days. I washed this with a regular load. I didn't want to waste a load in my washer. Actually, hubby does the washing because we have one of those top loaders, HE top loaders, and I'm only 5 foot and I can't reach at all inside the barrel to get anything out unless it's a big old comforter. That's the only thing that I can reach. But anyway, here's a towel. And yes, it's a lot lighter, but part of that is because I just regular washed it. But I did spray the stain remover off all of this. And here's the area that I really concentrated on. So it's a lot lighter. I don't really have a sample of anything because, sorry, we're empty nesters and we don't really get that dirty. So I don't really have anything to show as an example of before and after, but if I come up with anything with the stain, I'll definitely take a quick picture of it, spray it, wash it, and then I take a picture as soon as it comes out, and then I'll post it on another video as a continuation of this one. Now I just wanted to show you something. I went ahead, I had this extra jar. I gotta get my goop gone and get rid of all this, but anyway, I added some more solution because there really isn't a lot in here. And this was blue because it's that Blue Dawn. But it's been sitting here for a few days with that other solution when I made the product. So, but look how it turned pink. I hope you can see that, but it's kind of a pinky, light pinky color. You know, and it's, see? It's all foamy, so it still works. But I wanted to show you that because I wanted to go ahead and have an extra batch on hand since I just had this jar just sitting here. This was a jar that used to hold pink Himalayan salt, sea salt. And because it's glass and it was a nice little stopper here. You know, it's waterproof. It's a cork stopper. So, hey, you know what? Jars like this, I don't throw away. I save them. And it's been a year since I've emptied this jar, and I've had it here in the back of my craft table here, just sitting here. I see it all the time to do something with, but you know, it's one of those things you just don't get to and you don't do anything. Well, went ahead and used it, but anyway, so I have, when this is empty, I can refill it with this and then make me another batch, and I'll be good to go. But I thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.